Hello, farmers. This is your host, Dr. Joseph Deji Folutile, World Farmers Center, Success in Farming TV. Today, I will be discussing 3 ways to know farming industry quacks. 3 ways to know farming industry quacks. Number 1. The farming industry quacks most often does not have the qualification for what they are attempting to do for you. They don't have the qualification for what they are trying to do for you. That is a quack. It's trying to render service for you, but it does not have the qualification for doing that. So if you are patronizing him, you are doing that at your own risk. Number 2, the farming industry quacks most often are interested in your money than rendering service to you. The farming industry quacks are most often interested in your money than rendering service to you. So if someone who's more interested in collecting your money than rendering service, it's more or less a quack. It's a farming industry quack. Beware. Number 3, the farming industry quacks most often cannot explain the reason behind what it's doing for you. It does not know the reason behind what it's doing. It's just doing it. Most often, it doesn't know why it's doing most of the activities it's performing for you in your farming. It doesn't know the theory behind it. So if there is a problem, it's at a loss on what to do. Let me take it again. Number 1, the farming industry quacks most often are not qualified for what they are trying to do for you. They don't have the qualification for what they are trying to do for you. So always be watching out. Is that person qualified to handle your stock? Qualification-wise, if it's not, be careful. Number 2, farming industry quacks most often are more interested in collecting your money than rendering service for you. So when you see someone who is more interested in collecting your money than rendering service, is most often a quack. Number 3, the farming industry quacks most often cannot explain the theory behind what they are doing for you. They don't know the theory behind. They don't know why they are doing what they are doing. Maybe they've seen somebody doing it. Maybe they work with somebody before who is qualified, who has qualification, and they're just doing it. They don't know the reason behind it. So if they have problem with it, they don't know what to do. Avoid them like a plague. Once again, I'm your host, Dr. Joseph Deji Folutile, Success in Farming TV, World Farmers Center. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to keep getting more and more quality and timely advice for your farming business success. If you subscribe today, please on the comment below put your name and email address. I will send you an ebook. Thank you.